and promote multiple products. Now let me show you the products that you can promote with Funnel Freedom. So remember, guys, that to make commissions with affiliate marketing, you need to promote high quality products. So you need to choose good products, and then you need to send traffic to your affiliate links, and that is how we can make commissions with affiliate marketing. So these are the products that you can promote with Funnel Freedom: the 70 Challenge, Freedom Accelerator. So this is Freedom Breakthrough 3.0. Funnel Freedom is the software that you are seeing on the screen. Secrets of Success, System.io, a legendary marketer. And so in this page, you just need to copy and paste your affiliate links for get a response. So these are softwares: InVideo, TubeBuddy, vidIQ. And then on sites, you are going to see the sales funnel that you can utilize. So the name is Freedom Ascension, and this is integrated in all Funnel Freedom accounts. If you want to check it out, I'm going to put a link in the description of this YouTube video. And you just basically need to start driving traffic to this funnel. So check this out. This funnel has 2 steps: the free course opt-in and the bridge page. And then we have here the members area. So this is the free course. So the strategy is basically send traffic to this landing page so people can put their information, and then Funnel Freedom is going to start sending emails that we have here.